Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making these scissor drawing collages like Henri Matisse. Some of the things that we want to make sure that we are doing is to create balance. Balance is when elements of art are equal. One way that artists can show balance is by creating an even amount of space with their art. So for example, there's not too much of the background and there's not too much of the figure. It's balanced. It's just right. Another way that we can add interest to our artwork is with scale and proportion. Scale is the size of one object in relation to the other objects in the artwork. So for example, you have big and small objects. So I have a big and small heart. I have some small stars. I have a big person. Proportion refers to the size of the parts. So for example, my figure is proportional. The head isn't too big for the arms or the legs. I've created a demonstration on how I made my collage. After you've watched the demonstration, you can create your own collage. Have fun and be creative. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye!